Today I'll show you guys everything in this room, and let's of course start with this vanity wardrobe. So this entire cabinet is built in. Joseph helped me with the design and he found a contractor to build this for us. I wanted lots of drawers to fit all my makeup, and also Joseph suggested display cabinets on the sides to display my bags and etc. In total it cost about 7,000 to 8,000 ringgit. I'll link the company on my description box below if you're interested. The mirror, I got it separately and I customized a bigger size from TKDC Vanity mirror on Instagram. The mirror cost about 2,500 ringgit. So this was the initial sketch to decide the measurements of everything together with how the mirror fits in. These drawer handles, I got them myself from IKEA, and then of course I got the contractor to help me install them. So firstly, on the table, I displayed a lot of my favorite perfumes. My Jo Malone, Tom Ford, luxury products like the La Mer. I love the Gucci Bloom, so they're here. These are some of my favorite Guerlain products. Mists here, some more La Mer products, some products from Lush, and here I store all my beauty blenders. So these are really cute Ladure blusher. Now we're gonna move on to the drawers. First drawer here are all my cushion foundations. I have this, my latest one by Dior. Leather Pure one that Joseph bought for me, and I actually really like this cushion. Giorgio Armani, I have YSLs. I love Hera cushion as well. I mean, obviously I like most of these ones, that's why they're still here.
Is this your favorite drawer?
I have a lot of favorite drawers, but I think this one really looks really nice. So pretty! Okay, bye-bye. And here are all my sheet masks. Suwasu travel size products. This, I actually I store some of my ang baos here for the future and tech stuff. Basically all my receipts and documents and personal things. So let's close it.
I think that's my favorite drawer. What?
I'm just kidding. We're moving on fast to this drawer. Oh my god, this is my favorite drawer too. That's why I say it's very hard to decide. Shuamura lipsticks. These are the Gucci ones. MAC lipsticks here. Fenty lipsticks. And here are all my Christian Dior. Yeah. And here are my Estee Lauder lipsticks. Fresh. I always use like lip balms before I use my lipsticks. My treasure. I think YSL makes some of the best lipsticks. But not only that, they look the most beautiful. So I really love collecting them. More Dior as well. These are all their lip glow. And I also have these Fenty gloss bombs.
So I think we all have a very important question to ask you.
Yeah.
What lipstick are you currently wearing?
I'm wearing Huda Beauty today. I'll show you. Where is
no,
it?
YSL.
No, sir. No, sir, it wasn't.
No. Have to always try new things. So here, my next drawer, more lipsticks. So yeah, if you're wondering, I wore this today. A Huda Beauty in Bombshell. And I also have these really pretty ones by Guerlain. Have you guys seen this? Wait for it. Yeah. Oh, and I used to really love these. Do you remember, Boo Boo? This Laneige two-tone lip bars. Yeah. I like them. I just have too many choices.
Now they are forgotten.
No, I like them. They're there. Okay, this one is it's like a rojak. I have my blushes here. Chanel blusher that you gave me, remember? Clinique Cheek Pop. They're really good as well. Ladure, this mini size one. So cute. They make the prettiest things. And right here, I have some hand creams. I have some of these Paul and Joe products because they're really cute. Look at this lip balm. It's a cat. This is another rojak. Eyeliners, eyebrow pencil, and my mascara here. I really like this. As you guys know, I love highlighters. Huda Beauty sent me this. I haven't tried this yet, but I can tell you here the good ones. Anastasia, Becca. I don't even need to mention. I always say how much I like their highlighters. Mini highlighter palettes. Like I have this. My mouse is like fading away because I've been using it. I have a lot of the Fenty ones. Fenty create really good products. This is also one of my favorites. 2 highlighters, blusher, and work as a bronzer for me. So good. Cream and liquid highlighters, concealers, my bronzers. That's enough. This is supposed to be a room tour video, but then I'm now doing review.
Room tour plus all product review.
Cannot lah! This video gonna be like 2 hours leh.
We'll still watch it. Thumbs up if you are still watching.
Quick!
Oh my god, we're not even halfway.
Foundation.
Foundation, baby!
Estee Lauder. Hi. I have so many. I don't want to do review already, but I don't want to do But okay, I can just quickly say the latest ones that I like. Viva, Anastasia as well. Bobbi Brown, Your Skin Glow. This is my favorite one. The La Mer foundation. You guys know I love it. Okay, let's apply. All my setting sprays. When filming, I need a lot of these cotton pads. Next here are all my eyeshadow palettes. Let's see. I have the new Fenty ones. The quality is really good. Urban Decay palettes are here. My Tarte, all my mini palettes. I have this newest Tom Ford. Just want to show you guys because it's so pretty. Over here, I have some of my travel skincare. And I know I'm going outstation, then I can just grab these. So cute, all these small fresh products, other skincare products. Okay, enough. This drawer is all my skincare products, new ones that I haven't opened yet. So I have some fresh products here, some Origins products here, my favorite cleansing oil, more skincare. I know guys, I really give away so much. I still have so much. You know, I'm gonna review and see what is good for you guys, right? I just opened the Huda Beauty, right? I have more here that I need to try. Most cushion foundations. They always come with an extra one. Makeup products that I haven't used. I think we're done. Okay, next I'm going to show you these drawers where I display most of my bags. One of my very first Prada. This one is so adorable. It's actually by Moschino. Here are my Chanel bags. One of my latest Dior book tote. Here are some of my off-whites. My mini off-white bag. This one is actually Joseph's bag. I have this pink one as well that Joseph bought for me. Gucci. And that LV vintage actually belongs to my mom. So here's my other section. There's a lot of boxes. I'm such a hoarder.
Oh my God!
Here are more perfumes. So pretty. Here I have some of my lotions and my hair products and sunglasses. Here's my really cute fabric, and I bought this from IKEA. Plants really do like make the place look nicer. More skincare products, makeup products. This is Bambi's favorite spot. And I have this mirror which I really adore. It actually makes the space look bigger as well because it reflects my mirror right there, my Vanity mirror. Next, I have this table. I use it to put my Vanity fridge. Some products here. I have a Gudama here. Decoration items from Hyuga. And here's my latest addition. I'm so proud of myself for buying these from Muji. Before this, all my new PR packages are like just lying around. So this is a really good purchase. So here's where I store all of my new PR packages that I haven't unboxed yet. It's good, right? Look at all this stuff, guys. I can just chuck it in here before I decide where to put them.
You should show this. This is like your favorite thing in the room.
Yeah. So this is my Armani PR package. It's so pretty.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, and these lipsticks are so good. Oh my god, you guys should get one. And my wall, guys. I love my wall. This is done by Vasari. It's a kind of Venetian plaster. So I chose this limestone grayish color for the entire room. So if you guys are interested, I'll also link Vasari on my description box below. Holy smokes guys, I did it! My room tour guys! Hope you guys enjoy watching this. Hopefully I can really make more YouTube videos for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!